Hello, welcome back to another one of my recap with live trades. Today was we had a Fed announcement, and it was just I knew it was going to be likely a pretty volatile day. So I went into the day, wanting to take it easy, and so I wasn't, which is kind of sad because there were some really good setups, and I don't know, I had a kind of like I thought maybe we were going to get some downside, but I remember what's happened in the past is whenever a lot of people were thinking, oh, so this is going to go down because we got like it looks good to the downside, and for a continuation, and we got this Fed meeting, and that happens a lot. That's when people get trapped and it goes up. So I just remember to stay nimble and keep an open mind. So I had four trades today, so that's another plus. I mean, as long as I stay under five, I'm happy with that. I finished the day with I still had like maybe 20 something hundred in buying power. So anytime I don't use up all my buying power, it shows me that I'm practicing some discipline, which is good. The one unfortunate part about that is there were a couple setups that I didn't take that would have paid nicely. Like one, for example, was Tesla. Um, Earlier, it was a break. I don't think it was this level, but it was some level that it just Tesla just dropped and dropped, and it would have been so nice, but can't beat myself up when that happens because I just wanted to take it easy, and the smart thing to do is play it light on a day like a volatile day like today. Um, but I did experience some FOMO later on when I saw that price action, the market was selling off pretty hard or a decent amount, and I mean, there were some setups. There were definitely some bear flags and just textbook easy money plays. But I've also had days, just in general, where midday where that stuff doesn't work, but the volume was there. I mean, my setups were there. It's like I really should have taken them, to be honest. But I'm cool with the outcome of the day, and hope you enjoy the live recap or trades. So let's get into the first one. First one's Tesla. So I played Tesla. This so Tesla was so as you see, I have my mouse clicked on the 590 put. Um, I was considering playing puts, but then I didn't really have an entry yet because I mean I really don't like to play, especially on Tesla. Like 1 minute ORBs on to the downside. Um, unless the first candle is green. Then maybe I'm down, but I really have a lot of bad experiences playing those, and so that's something I need to work on. But so we had two down candles here, so then trying to process this trade, and then what as you'll see in the video, what happens here. I take Tesla to the upside. So let's get this started. So it starts. I see these bottoming tail wicks. Get on the 600 puts real quick. We're gonna break this. We just break. I kind of miss it, but I get the that's yesterday's low right there. I'm playing the break of this high right here, which is where I got in, and I'm seeing some Momo come in. Only one contract. I was really thought, okay, when this didn't just stuff or start going down, I thought, okay, I should add, but I'm like, nah, it's there's Fed stuff today. I'm good. Just play it safe. And the day turned out not so bad. So I'm happy with the way I played things today. Always room for improvement. So I'm out of the trade already. Now what sucks is same thing. This is like the story of my life right here. So I get out, but this is what I have to do with one contract because this can easily just if it just stuffs or just drops, like the contracts just deplete, and then it's like then I get out for nothing and I use up that buying power. So if I would have had two contracts, taken one right there would have been a good idea in my opinion. And then the next one I should not take unless I have an exit signal. Because I have a little cushion of profits, and I can. I mean, this is money right here. So my exit was 1146, I believe. And right now we're at 1305, so it's like a lot of money on the table. We're not even done yet. So definitely know how I will play that next time. At least when we're not on a Fed's peak day. So yeah, so that's that trade. As you can see, it went a lot further. So the next trade is on Tesla as well, but this is to the downside. So we had this move over, move up to the highs here, and then we sell off, and then we start doing this whole bear flag. So I'm like, okay, let me play the 595 puts. Let's see where we can go with this. So check this out. So we got a drop, retrace, candle under candle. I'm playing that. So a lot of times what'll happen is it'll drop a little bit and then it'll squeeze up, squeeze higher and rip to a high day, squeeze out the shorts, break the high day, all that. But so I had a tight stop on this in case it did that, and it started to work. So that was pretty cool. So we're gonna get the spread. I just take the profits. I mean, it wasn't much, but I got that trade was $104. So for one contract on a Fed day, yeah, that's a little head and shoulders right there. But Tesla loves putting in head and shoulders and then trapping and squeezing. So, and actually, I'm pretty sure that did happen there. Yeah, that did happen right there. So this actually does um, just squeeze higher. So Tesla did today that was really cool is if you're just like scalping, range bound Tesla, like you just buy on the off the 1 minute ORB, sell into the highs, and then take the just you could play the range on this thing. Like it just had a beautiful range of almost 10 points multiple times today. I mean, it just ripped up, down, and then ripped, then sold off. But so it was a really nice play. And let's see, the next trade is on PayPal. This trade's a small loser, and so we have PayPal up top. This was a dirty flag, and I just thought, you know what? I don't know. I just wait. So why am I seeing Tesla put here? I had the wrong thing up. So let me pull up PayPal 640. Wrong trade. Sorry, folks. 940 11. Okay, so PayPal we have up top. Wait, where is PayPal? Excuse me, 954.48. Wow, I'm burnt. Okay, let's get this right for once. So we have this sort of like if there's a little flag here, but it's a dirty flag. I mean, in hindsight, like I really didn't. I mean, I was taking okay. We bounced. There was a bounce off VWAP. I should have taken the dip into VWAP. That was the original plan. I kind of hesitated there. I saw it was holding. I thought it was going to squeeze higher. I don't know. I was kind of just like just having some wishful thinking, and clearly that was not going to happen, and we're just in this downtrend here from the highs. Couldn't hold above previous day's highs. Maybe it's gonna, sell off. I thought maybe it's gonna sell off, bounce off VWAP, and then go up, but it's just showing weakness right here, and and it did actually sell off a lot more from that point. Maybe went higher later. I don't recall, but so yeah, I mean the move. I was in it. If it breaks under this candle, I'm gonna get out. Or I'm gonna look to get out unless it just breaks and snaps up. But I kept a tight stop on this. The contracts weren't really moving too much. I mean, I literally lose only like maybe $19 or something, $21 on this trade. So a lot of time, I mean, a lot of times, as I'm sure it'll just stocks will just act like they're gonna break down, then they'll rip up. Just a bunch of little traps. But this broke down, so I exited. And I could have used VWAP as a stop or whatever, but I just wanted to keep this one a little tight little stop, no real risk. And yeah, so and then the final trade is on Tesla, and this is not showing up. I clicked the wrong button. So 10:01. Let's go 10:01. 10:01:25. There we go. So 5 seconds from now, Tesla to the downside. This little bear flag. I'm in 595 put. Just one. Let's see what we get here. Similar to the first move I played, where I just take the quick little move. This one wasn't. I mean, this was literally $16 in profits. So I wasn't really going for much here. I just kind of wanted to get back to where I was before I took the PayPal trade, and then because once I took that little $20 loss, it actually affected me a little bit. Like just anytime as a trader having a losing trade, it sucks. It's part of the game. It has to happen. I mean, this is a probabilities game, and 100% can't win them all. So, but anytime, as I'm sure you might know, it sucks to have a loser. I mean, but it's as long as we keep the losers small, I feel like it's not so bad, or have a really high win rate if not. But yeah, so that's it. I ended the day up 175. Made a little bit in my swing trading account, but not too much. Literally only a few bucks, but I don't really put on any risk in that account. So yeah, that's it. I hope you enjoyed the trades. Trying to get better every day, and yeah, I hope you find value in this somehow. And just I hope I can keep the content coming and come up with some better and better trades. So, and I hope you're along for the ride while I grow and learn. So thank you for watching. Have a good one.